I gotta pack. Do I really want to pack? Not really, but we're going to the USA, so let's pack. We have a 9 hours and 45 minutes flight to Dubai, and then the crazy part is that we have, okay, just 1 second. The crazy part is that we have a 14.5-hour flight all the way to America, so, or to New York. Come in.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you, Mr. O'Connor? Welcome back.
Outside. We are at JFK Airport. Whoa. How beautiful is this bit? First, like he said, we are getting donuts.
Donuts and coffee and donuts and coffee and donuts and coffee.
I'm so excited. Here's 2 cappuccinos.
Hello, just finished our donuts. We're off to Central Park.
Sorry, can I just say, it's not a bad idea. Trader Joe's, we can get some seaweed chips.
Seaweed chips have been on my mind for this entire trip. Look how perfect this slide is. Come check here.
7th Avenue. Which is
Actually, keep on looking at the camera.
Yeah.
Or just look at the camera, because this can be a cool mugshot.
Really? Okay, here we go. That'll look better. Put some forward in there.
Where are we off to, guys? Where are we off to?
oh, we're going to Central Park. It's pretty icy, but I'm surviving.
We are at Central Park, New York. It actually feels so unreal to say that, because normally you're so used to seeing this on TV and stuff, you know?
What's his name, Chuck?
This is my little guy, Centipede.
Why do you call him centipede? He doesn't have that many feet. Really?
Find somewhere else.
You better run,
Don't throw me with your couscous. Trying to find the lake in the center of Central Park, because there's you can ski on it if it's frozen. Should be, because it's damn cold. You know what I love about New York is that I love New York because the city is always electric. There's like stuff going on here. It's a big city, but there's a crazy a squirrel.
Like I said, you normally see this on like Friends, the episodes, when they're in Central Park and they're going for a walk in Central Park. You know? And you see the ice rink. I mean, it does say Trump, so I don't know why the ice rink says Trump. Damon, any idea why the ice rink says Trump?
It was a spelling error.
We're getting a New York hot dog.
Want chicken kebab? Yeah.
A New York hot dog.
A New York hot dog. We're gonna go meet Ro, but we just was outside the Tonight Show. That's one of the shows that we really want to be on, and I'd say in a few months' time we're gonna be back there, which is so fun. So guys, you can see that hole down there. That's where the World Trade Center was.
Trade.
I know, Trade Center.
World Train Center.
No, I mean to say trade. The Statue of Liberty is down there, as you can see. Now guys, always, you can honestly never get used to this cold. Like, it's actually beautiful outside. Oh gosh, Ben, look at the sky. Guys, that screams out snow.
Twist it upside down. Now I'm telling my story. It's important. Okay, so when I was last time I came to New York City.
When I was younger, so much younger than today. I was a hetero. A what? Now they say I'm gay. The whole of New York looks super quiet, and literally the whole town shuts down. I'm sorry, I can't really speak properly, but look at this. We came to a little bagel place.
Bagel place closed.
We're gonna be heading to LA now, catching our little plane.
Private jet.
That's it for today's vlog. Subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Maybe that one's good. I think that was a better one.
Oh, it's totally fine, bro.
Alright.